My name's Ray White, and I'm the author of Connecting Happiness and Success. We're going to talk about another way to be a little happier. And one of the ways you can be happier is by taking control of your life. If you think about all the things that happen in your life, you can be the victim of your circumstances, or you can own your circumstances and own what's going on. A great example is you're driving in traffic and somebody cuts you off. You know, you're going to get angry about that. It makes sense. There's chemicals in your brain that are released, but those chemicals only last for about 6 seconds. After that, the anger's all yours. It's all you deciding to do. So this guy cuts you off in traffic. You can be angry for 6 seconds, and then you can forgive him and let it go and go and have a better day. Or you can be angry about it all day. So you choose whether you're going to be the victim. You choose whether you want to be happy or whether you don't want to be happy.